Hey, and welcome back to the channel Ankinner Crew. Today, we're killing one of the biggest friction points in Anki, the edit window. Usually, if you want to bold a word or change a color during a review, you have to open a separate window, lose your place, and break your flow. But what if you could do it like this? This script brings a Notion-style floating editor directly into your reviewer. It's invisible until you select text, then it gives you instant access to bold, italics, underlining, and some very powerful custom tools. Check this out, the color palette. Most add-ons give you 5 colors. This gives you a custom grid of 42 professional shades, plus a full hex code selector if you want to get really specific with your aesthetics. If you're finding this useful for your workflow, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly dropping scripts and tips to turn Anki into a productivity beast. Let's talk about the master format. One click applies a high-contrast dark theme, white text on a slate background. It's perfect for highlighting the anchor words in your deck. And if things get messy, the Broom tool is your reset button. It strips all the HTML tags away, returning your text to plain, clean data instantly. The biggest trap in Anki is the static card. You made a card 6 months ago when you didn't quite understand the topic. Now, that card is too wordy, it's cluttered, and it takes you 10 seconds to read when it should take 2. But because the edit window is such a hassle to open, you just suffer through it every time it lapses. With this add-on, you don't just study your cards, you evolve them. Think of your deck as a garden. If you see a weed, you don't schedule a time to pull it out later, you pull it out the second you see it. Stop hitting E and start editing in the flow. The code is in the description. I'll see you in the next review session. Happy studying!